Greetings, dope, hot and fresh viewers. I'm Nomfundo Sibanyoni, aka Miss E. I'm from Middleburg, Extension 2. I'm an artist. Artistically, I'm a vocalist and I am a poet. My journey started when I was very, very young. Hey, very, 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 very young. Cause like my family used to tell me how much I loved singing, talking. You understand the words? Words are just yes, yes. So, and I realized this when I was in primary school. I used to sing a lot. I used to write a lot. I even wrote my first poetry in grade 3. And the teachers were so impressed. At the assembly, I said it, everyone was like, oh my God, at this young age. Yeah, man, it was quite amazing. I recorded my first song at the age of 15. At the age of 15 in 2014. I recorded my first song, like I said, at the age of 15 in 2014. I recorded the song with a guy named Tulane Ignatius Ndlapo, a founder and a producer of Ben Slow Entertainment. Yes, I am a recording artist there. I am still recording. I'm still doing my poetry, still writing. Yeah, I sing. I've performed locally. You know, I've been performing in schools. I've performed my poetry, my music. I'm still doing that. I'm still writing. I'm still performing. Man, it's a lot. Yeah. Oh, why? Why did I choose music and poetry? Well, it's my passion. I can say that. It's my passion, and I don't see myself doing anything else. You know, music, poetry, they live in me. So I don't see myself doing anything else because I don't see anything else that's going to be so fulfilling to me more than music and poetry. It's my life. So I dedicated everything and anything in music and poetry because I just don't see myself doing anything else. I just don't. Because my voice is too soulful and healing. I do Afropop, I do soulful music, classic music. You know, I write about love. I'm so diverse though. I write about almost anything because my voice can do anything, but I choose to write soulful songs, touching songs, meaningful songs. You get me? I want people to go back and understand this music thing, because music is supposed to pass a message, right? So that's me. I always pass a message to my songs, any type of message, and understand that affect abantu, people affect abantu. So yeah, and poetry. Well, poetry, spoken word, yes. Ngibhala ngothando mostly because like I address about love. You understand that I express, I teach. So even though I writing ezinye izinto, but then uthando, it's most of my poems angothando. Yeah, I can't really say I know those hardships or my hardships because umsebenzi wami mina I've let umsebenzi wami being handled by somebody else. I've been too ignorant of my work and how the industry works and how I'm supposed to promote myself. You understand? I've left that to ukuthi omunye umuntu angiyenzele. So I can't really say. The only thing I can say is I've been ignorant, so in such a way that I just go to the studio, record, then I leave. Then nje uzangitshela that person ukuthi lento le izoba so and like this kuzoyenzeka so ukuthi then kwenzekalani after I don't know, man. Yeah, it's just me being ignorant of taking my work and putting it out there and promoting myself and all that shit. Excuse me for the language. Well, I'm passionate. So I'm passionate about my work. I'm so passionate in such a way that I know somehow, someday, shit's gonna happen. I'm sorry for that, but shit's gonna happen. And I believed so much in Ben Slow Entertainment. I still do believe in it now. That, oh man, we can do this. We can make it. Like, yeah, people need to listen to our work. And I know if people get a chance to listen to our work, man, all hell will break loose. Because I know I got it in me. I got it in me, and this is it. This is for me. There's no other way. There's no other platform or anything else besides the music and poetry. So faith is another thing.
Imizwa yomzimba ijina ngithanda magele babonza ngithi wabona ngisho kodwa awukazi bamangelo osimane emakhazeni lochaza bafuna ukubona phela insizwa ebukeka njengalela mnangazi ngayibona akube nganyazi ngelosi ngangiyothi umuhle njengengelosi kodwa unamuhle njengengelosi umfundo yamanzi ucwebezela uwediamond uyisuka ngibonile layithi uyangenza ungenza njalo ngibale ngibona insizwa izinto bethu ingabuye kodwa ngiyoyichaza kanjani ngoba ichazela ithina ithina sineso hayi wena manzizo usukungibuka kanjalo wabuka kanjalo ukuthi vele ngithuka ngithi lento endlele okay guys I want to apologize.
What sets me apart from other vocalists? My voice, man. My voice is so soulful and so healing. I cannot sing and you just pass by and not stand and stay and listen. And my type of writing, the way I write, the way I give out the message, oh man, it's beautiful. I would like go let me be like Tata bongo kwami ngikunika bongo kwami ngikunika konke Tata konke uthando lwami. So man, now uyazibonela. Well, before I can give any advice to anybody, I like to say yes, I know I've been ignorant. I was ignorant. Kodwa manje, people, I'm in a space where I'm uplifting myself. I'm working on myself to fix the ignorance. You understand? So I'm attending this arts skills program, administration accredited skills. So yeah, I'm fixing this ignorance. I'm been doing some researches on how to promote myself, to protect my copyrights, my work, you know, just to even if, you know, guys, just like I said, you can trust somebody ngomsebenzi wako, but then at the end of the day, umsebenzi wako, you are a brand. You need to take care of yourself. You need to take care of your things. You need to know how to do that. So Mina, I'm doing that right now. You understand? So in this space of time, I would say people, don't be so ignorant. This Jameleni, guys, brand yourself. Go out there, market. You understand? Learn. Learn about these things. Learn about the industries. Do it yourselves, even if kunomuntu omthembayo ngomsebenzi wakho. So to be updated on my future releases and the videos I do and the music and all that, to be updated on Miss E, you can follow me on my social pages. On Facebook, Nomfundo Shody. On Insta, I'm ShodyMissE E. TikTok, I'm ShodyMissE E. My numbers, if you want to do bookings, because I do perform on different occasions. Whatever you want to feature, you can contact me at 076 34 366. My email, you can do that also on my email. It's SibanyoniNomfundo6@gmail.com. So yeah, man. So before I do that, goodbye, guys. I'll be like, wabona mehlo ami, wathatheka ngqondo yami, khuluma mlomo wami, yini kana, ngoba inhliziyo yami yethukile. So guys, dope, hot and fresh viewers, it was so great to be here, and thank you for having me. This is Miss E, y'all. One love.